If you are interested to create this type of modern office table in 3ds Max, don't skip the video and watch till end. First start with the box. Create a box and go to the 3D view, convert into editable poly and delete the one face. Now close the poly and go to the top view. Create a camera, V-Ray physical camera, which is best for the rendering. Then go to the side view and adjust the height or elevation of the camera, as I am doing by giving some elevation to the y-axis, because in my current view the y-axis is the current axis. Then go to the light and select V-Ray light and create a light source from the V-Ray light. Create from the top and give the elevation from the side view. You can choose any side view. Then create a rectangle for the reference, because we are going to create a table. Define the length and width. This rectangle will be reference for our table. Create a line. Use the corner option. Snap on the toggle and snap these 3 points. Go to modify, select a spline and then go to outline and give the value 2.5. Now choose extrude option and define the height as extrude. This is looking very blacky. Select shade mode. Now draw a box and define the height. Snap off the toggle. Go to the top view and create a rectangle tool from the shape. I am using line option. Select the spline and make the outline as offset 1.5. Then go to the top view and convert into 3D by extrude option. Define the same height. You can adjust the sides. Now create a line again from the line tool in the shape. Define the outline for offset 1.5 minus 1.5 for the change direction. Go to 3D view and use extrude option. From the front view, create a line, select the vertices and adjust. Do same with another one. Select the spline and make the offset by outline option. Adjust the location and use extrude option. Define the value and place on the right position. Now create a line again using a snap toggling tool. Select the spline and give the outline. Go to the 3D view. Do some necessary changes if required and convert into 3D using extrude option. Define the amount of extrude option and make copies holding the shift key from the keyboard. Now delete the unusual box. Go to the render setup. In assign render, select V-Ray Advance. Close the dialog box, go to material editor. Get material and select. Double click on material to apply and apply to the object. Next one, get material and select V-Ray material. From the color box, you can pick the color and apply it to the object. You can also select the color for some multiple options. Then apply it to the object. Select all of them and make the group. Go to the top view and place on the right position so that we can take a good screen rendering. Now import using merge option some 3D models. Like first one is armchair. Do these steps. Use transformers. And place back to the table. Don't forget to adjust the elevation. Now import another 3D files, just like the lamp. Use transformers and make group. On every import, don't forget to adjust the elevation. Then import the telephone. Again use transformer tool and scale the object. Then place wherever you want to place it. Again adjust the elevation from the side view. Make some rotation. Import another one, which is a glass. After making the group, use a scale option to give a right proportion and adjust the elevation from the side view. Go to the top view, select the reference area and adjust as per the required. Now move the camera to get a view. Apply the material to the background. Go to the camera view and tilt the camera to get a 3D location. Go to the shape tool and select a rectangle for the back panel and make them copies using cloning option from the holding shift key from the keyboard. Make some more cloning. Select all the clone rectangles. Make them group and align to center. Then go to the top view and make extrude. Give the extrude amount and place on the back side. Now create a rectangle. Use extrude option to convert into 3D and place on the back panels. Then create a duplicate for the glowing reference. Select the objects and apply the material. You can make more furniture using these tricks in 3ds Max. Make copy of the camera for the front view. Adjust the camera as per your preference. Select the camera 2 to check the proper view. Change the focal length if required. And do these necessary steps to get the proper view. Go to the render setup and load the render setting. The all resources you can download from the given link in description. Now hit the render and check the test render. We have result but need to some necessary changes in our 3D project. First select the give rotation and place above the table. Change the multiplier. Then select the camera and make them straight for the front view and hit the test render. Cancel it. We need to improve the 3D view. Give some more multiplier. Check the camera 1 and hit the test render. Cancel it. Go to the top view and make a line. Select the spline and give the outline. Use the extrude option. Change the position and adjust the amount of extrude. Place on the both area. Select the newly created box. Delete the unnecessary one. And make the new group. Then go to the material editor and create a V-Ray light material for the glow light source. Apply the material and change the necessary adjustment. Hit a test render to check whether the objects and materials are corrected or not. Cancel the view. Go to the top view. Select the object. Okay, right. We need to adjust the camera location or camera angle. Then only we can get the proper view. So I've done it. I'm going to create a new rectangle for my frame. Extrude, convert into 3D and place on the panel. Change the height. Go to material editor. Get the V-Ray material. Click on the diffuse button and use bitmap. You can download all the resources from the given link in description. Apply the material and you can also give the glow light or effects in this picture. Now go to the camera view. Okay, I forget to make the support. Make a box for the support and adjust the height 1.5 and place on the right position corner of the table. Apply the material and hit the render. Now we have some good looks in the 3D rendered image, but need to fix this. Delete the lamp and change the location of the telephone. For the right glow effect, scale the back panel glow light. Select all and move them back. Select the camera and give some location changes and change the target area. Now hit the test render again. Yes, now we have the good. Ungroup the table and change the material. Close the group. Now change the color with the chair. Use V-Ray material and choose your preferred color, as I am selecting the black option. Apply the material on the desired object. Close the group and hit the test render to see the changed effect. Everything is looking good, but one more thing is we need to change it, the tabletop material, which could be more beautiful. To cancel this rendering, select the object tabletop from the diffuse. Using bitmap, select the texture, or you can open the library. Use the same material, double click on it to upload into the material editor and apply the material. Select all the related objects to be applied this material. Close the group and hit the test render. If you enjoyed this video and like the video, please like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you.